Hey folks, how are we? I've got a story here that I'm going to narrate for you in a way. I'm gonna, just read it out loud. And this story is from a guy named John. Now he is 29, but he sent me a story when he was 25. So this story is called Chasing Dreams versus Playing It Safe. And after this whole story, you tell me which point of view you like. So it's a story which tells like someone took a leap of faith and that guy actually went for his dream, and now he's married, he's got a partner, but partner actually she is working and doing a job. So this story is going to give you another perspective of both sides, how life has been. Hopefully you get to learn something about it, but whatever your point of view is, let me know in comments. All right. He's saying, I was 25. I had a good job, the kind you're supposed to want. Insurance, salary, Fridays off. But every morning I woke up with this heaviness, not sadness, not stress, just a voice whispering, this isn't it. One night I stayed late at work again. I watched my boss leave in his Audi. I stayed behind eating cold noodles. That night I opened up blank document and typed, I am giving myself 1 year, 1 year to chase what scares me. A month later, I quit, no backup plan, just a camera, a dream, and rent I had no clue how to pay. So, what he did, it wasn't glamorous. He said now there's a struggle period which was started. It wasn't glamorous. I worked at cafes, edited videos at 3 a.m. and cried in the bathroom after failed pitches. My parents worried, my friends supportive-ish, but every now and then magic. A DM from someone saying, your video made me cry. A stranger reposting my work. For a moment, it felt like the leap was worth it. But then I met her. We met at a friend's reunion. She was kind, grounded, brilliant. She had the kind of life I gave up, a steady income, a condominium, plans. She told me she once dreamed of moving to Paris to study pastry, but life happened. Her dad got sick and she stayed. Maybe I'll do it later, she said, looking down at her wine. Like, maybe I'll do it later. Maybe I'll do it later. How should I say? I don't know, man. I'm not really a good actor. Well, that hit me because I realized she admired my freedom and I envied her peace. We both made choices. I choose risk. She chose responsibility. But here's what no one tells you. No path is pain free. I have felt lost, broke, and afraid I would never make it. She felt stuck, unseen, and haunted by what if, like, what if I couldn't make it? Different choices, same pain. And maybe that's the point though. No matter what path you are on, you're always wondering about the other one. So here's what I want to ask you right now. This is what he's writing as well. Are you the dream chaser or the safety seeker? Which one are you? Let me know in comments. Or are you somewhere in between trying to rewrite your story? I want you to actually drop like a rocket or something. All right. If you are chasing your dreams, and I also want you to drop something more of like a shield if you are picking up the safest way, which is your job. And if this hits you, I want you to share this story as well. And thank you, brother, for sharing your story. I have already recorded it, and now it's completely up to people, completely up to you guys. Let me know. Bye bye. Well, I'm not doing any SEO, any kind of bullshit. This story, I'm just recording on as it is, and I'm gonna upload. You are the one who's gonna share it, okay? So make it big. Support, brother. Support. Thank you.